Yes students, now we are going to discuss third sum, second part, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. See, this is 2y whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So when we will close the bracket, you will get a minus from 2ab, b from here, a minus b whole square. Clear? In third part, x square minus y square upon 100 is a square minus, let y square upon 100 is y upon 10 whole square. This is a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? That is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So your answer will be x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Clear? See, in fourth sum, we are using new identity a plus b plus c whole square. That is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. First term will be a, second term will be b, third term will be c. In this sum, a is x, b is 2y, c is 4z. Fourth sum, first part. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Now we will find the answer. X square will be as it is. 2y whole square is 2 2s are 4 into y square. 4z whole square is 4 4 the 16 into z square. Here it will be 2 2s are 4xy. 2 2s are 4 4 4 the 16yz and 2 4s are 8zx. Clear? Give a thorough review of fourth sum first part for 1 minute. Yes students, now we are going to discuss fourth sum second part by using identity a plus b plus c whole square. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a is 2x, b is minus y, c is z. If there is sign of negative, you will take that sign along with the statement. So 2x square plus minus y whole square plus z square, 2 into 2x into minus y, 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4, minus the square plus y square as it is, z square as it is, plus minus minus 2 to the 4 xy, plus minus minus 2 yz, 2 2s are 4 zx. That is your answer in second part. Now come to third part. Statement is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. What you will do? A is minus 2x, b is 3y, c is 2z. A square, b square, 2c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. What is the answer? Minus the square plus 2 to the 4 x square, 3 the square 9, 9y square, 2 square is 4z square, plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12 xy, 2 to 2, 2 3 the 6, 6 to the 12 yz, plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 zx. Is it clear? Give a proper review of these two parts for 1 minute. Yes students, now I am going to discuss sum number 4, fourth part, fourth sum, fourth part. A minus b minus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square identity use करो. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca. A is 3a, b is minus 7b, c is minus c. So 3a square minus 7b square minus c square 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2 into minus 7b into minus c plus 2 into minus c into 3a. Your answer will be 3 3s are 9, minus square is plus, 7 7 the 49 b square, minus square is plus, c square will be as it is. Here plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 7 the 42 ab, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, 7 2 the 14 bc, plus minus minus, 2 3 the 6 ac. That is your answer. Is it clear? Now come to fifth part. Again a plus b plus c whole square. A is minus 2x, b is 5y, c is minus 3z. What you will do? A square plus b square plus c square, 2ab 2bc 2ca. Your answer will be minus square plus 2 to the 4x square, 5 5 the 25y square, minus square plus 3 3 the 9z square, plus minus minus 2 2 the 4 4 5 the 20xy, plus minus minus 2 5 the 10 10 3 the 30yz, plus minus 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 plus 2 3 the 6 6 2 the 12zx. This is the answer. Give a thorough review of these two sums properly for 1 minute. Yes students, now we are going to discuss fourth sum, sixth part. A plus b plus c whole square. A is 1 by 4a, b is minus 1 by 2b, c is 1. Now we are going to put the values a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. What will be the answer? 1 the square 1, 4 4 the 16 a square, minus square is plus, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 b square, 1 square is 1. Here you will try cutting if it is possible. Plus minus minus ab upon 4. Then 2 and 2 are cancelled in second in this term also. Plus minus minus only b. 2 and 4 are cancelled. You will get a by 2. This is your final answer. Is it clear? Give a thorough review of this part for 1 minute, because this part is very very important from examination point of view. Students, now we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 sum number 5, first part, factorization. See students, in first part the statement given is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clear? We will start from this term. This is 2x square, this is 3y square, this is 4z square, right? Now further is 2ab 2bc 2ca. Before starting with 2ab 2bc 2ca, first of all you will see whether the signs are negative. See here, this is minus 24yz, this is minus 16xz. It means from these three terms any one term is negative. How will we know that which term is negative? How can we know? So observe these two terms carefully. Which term is common? Z. Right? It means term containing Z is negative. Which term is having Z? 4Z. So this term is negative. Now it is clear to you, this term is negative. This is minus 4Z whole square. क्लियर? इत्थों इसलिए नहीं पता लगता पाया बिकॉज माइनस स्केयर इज प्लस, सो दैट माइनस इज वैनिश्ड. It can be judged from these two terms that 4z is negative. Now come to further terms. 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2x into 3y. 2bc is 2 into 3y into minus 4z. 2ca is 2 into minus 4z into 2x. Now this is verified that this is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square, where a is 2x, b is 3y, c is minus 4z whole square. Clear? Now come to second part. 2 is under root 2x whole square, y is y square, 8 is 2 under root 2z whole square. 2ab is, before starting with 2ab, what you will do? You will see if there is any negative sign, adjust it. Which statement is common? X. It means first term having x is negative. 2ab, 2 into minus under root 2x into y. 2bc is 2 into y into 2 under root 2z. 2ca is 2 into 2 under root 2z into minus under root 2x. Now close this bracket. A plus b plus c whole square. Is it clear? Review these two parts for 1 minute thoroughly.